Hello everyone. This video is about how to create a new material in Revit. Okay. For that you have to enter this manage tab first. Then click on the materials. Okay, when I click on this materials tool, material browser will open. Okay. These are the materials we have in this project. Some of these materials are already in this project under the template, and some of the materials are created by me. Okay, now I'm going to create a new material. For that, you can see that there is a button near the left bottom of the material browser, and when I click not click when I put my cursor on this button, there's an instruction: creates and duplicates material. Okay, and there's a small arrow in this button, and I will click on it. These three options are there. I will get that create new material. Okay, this is the newly created material, default new material. Okay, I can rename it if I click rename, and I will name it as sample material. Okay, then this is the sample material, new material I have already created. Now these are the details of this material. These are ID data. You can put a description. I will put as sample material for YouTube, and these are class. This is a class. We can change this class by clicking on this small arrow. Comments, keywords, and these are product informations. You can edit these details, and this is the graphic tab. We can edit shadings like this, and transparency, surface pattern like this. We can change each and every detail here. We can change the appearance, generic color into this one. When I apply, you can see that the sample is changing. To change this further, you can click this button. When I put my cursor on this button, opens closes assets browser. You can open this new browser. This is asset browser. We can edit this newly created material by using this assets browser. Okay. Okay, these are appearance library. I will I will I will edit this sample material as okay, let's do as wood. Okay, and these are the appearance or material appearance we can get under the wood. I will click on this bamboo dark. Okay, then close it and apply. Okay, now the sample material is bamboo dark. You can see that information name is bamboo dark. Okay, now how we can use these materials in our model. For that, there are two ways. We can paint, or we can get the appearance for architecture purposes by using paint tool, or we can edit, or we can edit the materials for the newly created material. It means if you need to edit this element flow into bamboo dark or that wood, we can edit this one into the material newly created we have newly created. Or we can get the appearance, or we can get the architecture appearance by painting this wall or flow or anything. Okay, press step 1, or the press method is modify paint. I have created the video how to paint or unpaint any element in Revit model. You can see it, and if you need, I will put that link in my description. Okay, this is the when I click on the paint, This material browser is opening. I will create the sample material and I will paint, or I will get the physical appearance by clicking on it. You can see that. Now the architecture appearance is now with the material we have newly created. Okay, I will undo it. Okay, what's the second method? If you are going to construct this column by using that bamboo material, we can edit the structure or the material of this construction into the newly created material. How we can do it? Just click on this one. Then we have to enter to the properties browser, properties panel. But you can see that there are no any properties panel here. Only the project browser is there. Okay. How we can get the properties panel? For that you have to enter views, user interface, properties. Now you can see that this is the properties panel. Okay, when I click on this column, this is the properties of this column. Okay, to change this column into the new material, you have to enter the edit type material into this newly created one, sample material. Okay, you can change anything here. Now I'm only changing the material. Okay, you can see that these all the columns with that same material is changed into the new material we have created. Okay, I will finish the video. Again, I will tell what are the steps. First, you have to, if you need to create a material, you need to enter to the manage tab, materials, and under the materials, this is the material browser. You can create new material by clicking on this one, and you can change the details of the material by using this identity, graphics, or appearance data. And you can change the appearance by using the asset browser. These are the assets we have. You can see that there are many assets. These are under this template. Okay, if you have any question about this creating material or changing appearance or how to manage asset browser, put a comment on the comment section, and I will give all the answers for all the questions you have. And thank you for watching me. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos for to see others and collect subscribers to my channel.